Hello guys, how are you? Kumusta na po kayong lahat dyan? It's a nice sunny day here in Melbourne. I believe that today it's 36 degrees and it's a scorcher, sabi nga nila rito sa Melbourne. But as you can see, the family of God, the JIL family are gathered here today, and we are celebrating a birthday today of our beautiful child of God, si Ashley, and Sister Emmy celebrating her 50th, and she's one of the family of JIL, and today everybody's having a great time. We just finished lunch, and siguro po today everybody will just prefer to walk or chat or have fellowship today. And before that, gusto ko pong maimbitahan kayo to come if you are in the vicinity of Melbourne. Come to our services every Sunday. We have a 10 a.m. service at the Jesus is Lord Church in Braybrook Community Center. Dito po sa Braybrook area of Melbourne. We're there every Sunday, and be with us to celebrate God's goodness. And if you're here in the area, please call me. My number is 03-9364-7850, and my cell number is 0421-393-807. Hope to see you soon, and we would love to have you in the family of God. God bless you, and more power in your life.